Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change currency in Starpets. So first off, you need to come here on Starpets, then you just have to click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now as you can see, currently I'm using euro currency, and now my balance as well as all of the items price is showing in the euro currency. So here you can choose three different currencies. We have euro, RUB and USD. So let's say I want to change my currency to USD. So I'm going to select the option of USD, and as you can see, as soon as I've selected it, it has refreshed the list, and now every item is showing to me in USD, and the balance is also available in USD. Similarly, if you select the option of a ruby, you can just simply select it and you are going to see all of the items in the Philippines peso. So that's how basically you can change the currency. Currently they have given only three currencies over here, but in the future if they add multiple currencies, you will find them over here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.